guys, so today I've got another comparison video. So I'm going to be comparing the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder, and I'll be comparing it with the Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. So I'm going to compare these two products to see in terms of their price, the packaging, the range, the application. So I'm just going to jump right into this tutorial. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder, and this says it's easy to use and it's for baking. It says it creates an airbrush look for long-lasting coverage, blur out the appearance of pores, fine lines, the make-proof makeup. So that's what it claims in the website. This comes in 20 grams and is £28 here in the UK. It has 8 shades, and this is in the shade Conifer. And this is what the inside looks like. It has like a mesh in it. It's like a yellowy color. It has a perfumey type of scent to it as well. It's got like a nice mesh in it. It's where the powder can sieve out through. It's like a sieve. So it kind of sieves out the powder. Very unique. This is the Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. It's finely milled, it's weightless. It says it blurs imperfection, it minimizes the appearance of pores, it minimizes fine lines without creasing or caking. This is what the packaging looks like. So this is in the shade Translucent. This comes in 29 grams and it's £30. I got this for £30, but when I checked the website recently, it was £32 here in the UK. So I checked Cult Beauty, I checked John Lewis, and it retails for £32 now. But when I got it for £30. It comes in 2 shades. It comes in translucent and medium deep. This is in the shade Translucent. And this is what it looks like when open. So it has like a hole in there where the powder comes from. Like a nice hole in there. So the powder comes from, as opposed to the Huda Beauty that's got like a net. This has like a hole. It's kind of a beige kind of color. It's got no scent. The Huda Beauty has definitely got a perfume scent to it, but there's no scent to the Mercier one. They both have a nice package. In terms of the packaging, they look okay. This is 20 grams and this is 29 grams. Huda Beauty is £28, so it retails for £28. I got this for £30, but right now it's £32 here in the UK. The Mercier definitely have more product in it for the price. The Huda Beauty has 8 shades. The Mercier has just got 2. So it's got a medium deep and it's got a translucent. I've got a translucent. In the Huda Beauty, I've got the shade Conifer. The Mercier has got no scent. The Huda Beauty has got like a perfume scent to it. So I'm going to jump right into the application. I've already got my foundation on, my Maybelline foundation. I'm going to be using my MAC concealer in the shade NC45. So that's the concealer applied. I'm just going to blend with my Real Technique sponge. So I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty on this side of my face and the Mercier on this side. We'll be applying it with beauty blenders. These are damp beauty blenders. Huda Beauty here, Mercier here. So I'm going to be applying the Huda Beauty first on this side. So I don't really bake, I just press it in. So I'm going to press the powder in. The Huda Beauty is really lightweight, feels really nice on the skin, and it's just blended nicely as well. The Huda Beauty side feels really nice. I'm now going to proceed to blend, to apply the powder on the Mercier side. So I'm just going to quickly blend. I'll just press the powder into the skin. This is the L'Oreal Mercier side, just pressing it in. What do you think, guys? We'll just come a bit forward. So this is the Huda Beauty side, and this is the L'Oreal Mercier side. So far so good. They both finely milled, they both are smooth, and they both kind of melted into the skin. But in terms of covering of dark circles and fine lines, there's a subtle difference. The L'Oreal Mercier side covers up the fine lines and dark circles more than the Huda Beauty side. In person, that's what I can see. So the Huda Beauty side, nice, flawless. But the L'Oreal Mercier side, it's more fine, it's more smooth, it's smoother. But that's kind of what I can see just by looking at it. I don't know if you can see it, the same thing on the camera, but I'm kind of loving the L'Oreal Mercier side in terms of the smoothness. It's a subtle difference, guys. Not much at all. They're both finely milled, they're both nice and soft, but very subtle difference. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal powder. This to buff everything out all over the face. So in terms of my final views, I think I like the L'Oreal Mercier side more than the Huda Beauty side, because I think the L'Oreal Mercier side kind of blurs out the lines more. They're both finely milled, they're both nice, soft, but this does not, this literally blurs out the lines more than this, but it's very subtle. They're almost the same, guys. So I used the Huda Beauty here, the L'Oreal Mercier here. But not cakey, not oily, not heavy. I don't feel like I've got anything on. They just feel so lightweight. They both feel lightweight. They're not heavy. They're both nice and smooth. But in terms of a more airbrushed effect and more a blurring of lines, I'll prefer this one. So they are almost the same, guys, but it's a subtle difference. The L'Oreal Mercier wins it for me, because it just blurs out the fine lines more, and it's, yeah, I think this is better in terms of if you're really looking for an airbrushed effect. This gives the airbrushed effect. This does as well. I never knew there could be a difference, because whenever I use them, I don't notice any difference. And because they're both long lasting, they both control oil, they both mate, so I've used them different times. But I never knew this is more. For the price, this now retails for £32. This is 28. This is 20 grams, this is 29. So I think this is better in terms of price as well. So in terms of the application, they're both nice, they both blended nicely, but this wins by a small margin. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a like, and if you're new, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you see my videos as they come, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.